not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my.
Hey you guys, today I am going to clean my kitchen. It's not really bad, but I do have a sink full of dishes and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity for me to use this here dishwasher. I've never used a dishwasher before, and most that I've done with it is use it for storage. So today I'm going to give the dishwasher a try, see how I like it. I'm already against it because I am a hand washing girl, okay? So I'm going to bring the camera over, show you guys this situation in my sink so we can go ahead and give the dishwasher a try, and then I'm going to just wipe down the countertops and everything else. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so here is my sink full of dishes. Me and hubby were cooking it up over the weekend, and this is just the aftermath here. We have some pans over here, the air fryer, some baking sheets. Look, wok. I feel like we used every pan that we have. So yeah, we have been cooking it up, you guys. But here's the dishwasher. I did deep clean it and what have you. I know it can probably clean itself, but I needed to know that it was clean. So I did it myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and load this. You guys do not laugh at me if I load it wrong because like I said, I don't use the dishwasher. So I'm gonna load it to the best of my ability. And we're gonna see how everything comes out.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. Cause we always give it that you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone.
Okay, you guys, so this is what, yeah. Comment down below, you guys, and I'm not going to be upset. You're not going to hurt my feelings or anything. Let me know if I even loaded it right. And I didn't even want to watch a YouTube video beforehand because I wanted to really give you guys my, I want it to be unbiased and everything because I really have never done this before. So let me know if I even loaded this right. And I put these down here. Yeah, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll it in. I know this is where the solution or the detergent goes. So I picked this little thing up from, I think I got it from Dollar Tree because I didn't want to get a big one until I knew how I was gonna like it. And plus it said that it recommends Finish. So I got Finish. So I'm gonna pop these in there. You guys, we're gonna we're gonna see how this works out, okay? There, I'm not sure what a pre-wash is, and then over here it has like a rinse aid. Girl, I have no idea what. No, I don't know. I couldn't even talk. I have no idea what that even means. So if you guys are like dishwasher pros, please comment down below and help us out. And please let me know if I'm doing this incorrectly, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. I don't know what temperature to put it on. I technically washed the dishes already, so I think I'm gonna put it on, I don't even know if this is on. I'm gonna put it on normal. It says high temp, wash dry. I don't know. I don't know. So do I do delay start or start? Jeez Louise, start maybe? Okay, you guys, so we'll come back. I'll come back when this is done. While the dishwasher is doing its thing, I'm going to clean the rest of the kitchen. I did wash the pans off camera as well.
'Cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. To come over, I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. We've been making magic, and sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it.
Fun fact, I have to use this step stool to reach the cabinets up top, and I just find it so funny that I have to have this on hand, especially when my husband is not home. So I'm on the hunt for a cute step stool to keep in the kitchen.
I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No. Never look back. Never look back. No. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone. And you're staring back at me. And you're staring back at me.
Okay, you guys, so it looks like it's finished. So take a look, see. Take a look at my board. Okay. not too bad. Okay, look at the top part. Now, they are still wet. I thought they were supposed to be, are they supposed to be completely dry? Not all the time. Okay. But anywho, so, I mean, it looks like it came out pretty good. Pretty good. Will I use it again? I think I might use it again. Yeah, I think I might use it again, especially on those days where I'm just not feeling it. The kitchen is nice and clean and all the dishes have been washed. I will definitely give the dishwasher another try. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment so we can chat. I will see you guys in the next one.